Hello and welcome to this SnappyFORMS tutorial. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to edit or change the business forms title placeholder. We go to Form Options menu, click, we go to Company Setup, and then slide over and move over to Edit Forms Title. As you can see, the text input cursor is blinking on and off, meaning that we are ready for editing. Okay, so I'm going to change this. Instead of being service and repair sales / service order, I'm going to change it to service and repair invoice. Okay, as previous lessons have shown, in order to apply changes, we're going to go to the side of the form and left click the mouse button in order to apply the changes. That's it. Thank you. We hope this lesson served you.